You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give in this cause of action shall be the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
All right. You may inquire. You can just go ahead and put your hands down, and you can do it from there.
All right. Roger, I'm going to call on you first, okay? Roger, your name is Roger Gibson.
Yes.
You're a petitioner in this matter, is that correct?
Yes.
And you're married to your wife, Carrie, is that correct?
Yes.
All right. And you guys live together in Taney County, Missouri. You're residents of Taney County, Missouri, is that
Yes.
correct? All right. And the child who's the subject of this proceeding is Senait, Roger Gibson, who was formerly known as Senait, who was born January 10th of 2008 in the country of Ethiopia. Is that correct?
Correct.
And you traveled to the country of Ethiopia and adopted her through the courts of that country on July 29th of 2008. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And I have here what I've marked as an exhibit, which is Exhibit A. It's also attached to the petition. This is the judgment that was executed in Ethiopia allowing you and your wife, Roger, to adopt the child. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now I ask Exhibit A be admitted.
It's admitted.
And you wish today to have this court recognize that decree of adoption that you obtained in Ethiopia and recognize it and order it as a decree and judgment here in the state of Missouri. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the child's name through the process of adoption in Ethiopia was changed from Senait to Senait Roger Gibson. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you wish to change the child's name in this case to Zoie Senait Elise Gibson. Is that correct?
Yes.
And it would be your testimony that the name change would be in the child's best interest.
Yes.
All right. Nothing further.
Mr. First, covered those, thank you.
All right. Next.
And Carrie, I'm going to call upon you. Please state your name for the record.
Carrie Lynn Gibson.
And Carrie, you were present in the courtroom while your husband Roger testified this morning, correct?
I am.
Okay. If I asked you the same questions, would you give the same, if not substantially, the same answers as Roger did?
I would.
So you would agree with your husband this
I would
morning?
agree.
Oh, that's good to hear. And you also wish to have this court recognize the Ethiopian judgment and order and decree this court recognizing that as you and your husband being the legal parents of Senait. Is that right?
With all our hearts, yes.
And to change her name to Zoie Senait Elise Gibson. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you believe that would be in her best interest?
Yes.
All right. Nothing further.
No questions to witness.
All right.
Judgment.
Do you have a formal judgment?
Exhibit A is attached to the petition.
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
The court having reviewed the judgment decree of recognition of foreign adoption and change of name, finds that it has jurisdictions, finds that it's in the best interest of the child, finds that the parents have the ability to care for the child, and has also